Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to vectorize your Canva image. Open an image or InDesign on Canva. After that, if you need to vectorize this image, click on Share and download it. Now click on Download button. Your download may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the download is completed, you need to go to a new tab and type in vectorizer.ai and click on Enter. After that, you need to drag your image here. Now wait for it to load. As you can see here, it has been vectorized. To download it, you need to click on this download button. After that, again click on download. There are multiple options here, you can select it from there. Now again click on this download button to download. So that is how you can vectorize image. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.